Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record total daily sales in QuickBooks Online. If you want a simple way to enter your daily sales totals without recording every single individual transaction, this method can help you keep your books organized and up to date. For many businesses, especially those that receive a high number of small daily transactions, entering every single sale manually can take a lot of time. Recording one combined daily sales entry can make your bookkeeping process faster, while still keeping your financial records accurate. We'll be using a sales receipt and creating a customer specifically for these entries, so everything stays easy to track later. This approach is helpful for businesses such as retail stores, restaurants, salons, or online sellers where multiple sales happen throughout the day, and the business prefers to summarize the total amount instead of entering every individual customer purchase. To get started, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and click the Create button, which is marked with the plus icon. This is where you can quickly begin entering different types of transactions. From the menu that appears, choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is useful here because it lets you record sales that have already been paid, which makes it a practical option for total daily sales entries. Since you are recording sales that have already been collected, a sales receipt helps show that the income has already been received. This keeps your bookkeeping organized and makes it easier to match your sales records with your payment activity. Once the sales receipt opens, move to the Customer section. Click into that field and then select Add New. Since this entry is going to represent your combined sales for the day, we'll create a customer specifically for that purpose. Creating a separate customer called Daily Sales keeps these summary transactions separate from individual customer records. This makes it easier to find and review your daily sales entries later when looking through reports. In the Customer Name field, enter Daily Sales. Then fill in the details needed on the customer form and save it. Keeping this customer dedicated to daily totals makes it much easier to identify these transactions in your reports and customer history. After the new customer has been created and selected on the sales receipt, you can begin entering the products and services for that day. This is where you'll record the total amounts for your sales. Make sure the amounts reflect the full daily totals you want to capture. If you use different product or service categories, enter each one carefully so your reporting remains accurate. For example, if your business sells different types of products or services, you may want to separate those categories instead of entering everything under one general amount. This can give you better insight into which areas of your business are generating revenue. Taking a moment here to double-check the totals can help prevent mistakes and save time later when reviewing your books. It is also a good habit to compare your daily sales total with your point-of-sale system, payment processor, cash register, or other sales records before saving the entry. When everything has been entered correctly, click Record. This saves the sales receipt and posts the daily sales into QuickBooks Online. And that's it! You've successfully recorded your total daily sales using a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process that can make daily bookkeeping much more efficient, especially if you prefer to summarize sales instead of entering every transaction one by one. The main benefit of this method is that it reduces the amount of manual data entry, while still keeping your income records organized. It also creates a consistent process that you can repeat every day, making your bookkeeping routine easier to maintain. If you follow this method consistently, your records will stay cleaner and easier to manage over time. A consistent daily sales recording process can help you produce more reliable reports, understand your business performance more clearly, and spend less time correcting bookkeeping issues later.